23:57, 12 o'clock, Friday night, 2nd of October.
What else would you not want to do?
But there's a secret and we can't say anything just yet.
We've got a surprise. We've been waiting since 9:30.
All day.
All day. But at 9:30 we got the all clear. Now it's 12 o'clock and we're still waiting. It's alright.
Shafted. Shafted. Because it doesn't look like standard height, does it? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but the tops look, I don't know. Do you want to shut the bonnet and we'll give them the reveal? Okay, the lighting's a bit shit because we had a bulb out. But it's not going to make a difference, is it, mate? The less light on it, off it, the better. Are you ready? Are you ready? Right, you walk straight past it. It's like bubble gum. A bottle of water in the car. Has it got yellow fogs? That other light.
That looks sick though, doesn't it?
Yeah. I think that other one might be yellow. Yeah, buddy.
Just that.
Come on. Just admit
that.
it.
Just that.
It is good.
Just as soon as you see the yellow lights, bang.
So what happened is, give you a backstory. This was imported a couple of months ago. There was an original price. I wanted it. Then the pictures come in. I didn't want it. Then I didn't hear off you. Then it come up for sale. Price drop. I'm interested. Then I got more pictures. Then I slept on it. I said, nah, mate. Then the price drop happened again. And I said, put it on a wagon and bring it to Tipton. And it's now 20 to 1. We've got a PS13. You might have seen it for sale a few months ago if you are up to date with the YouTube. But are we excited?
Yeah, depending on what route you go with it.
Mate, it's got Japanese writing on the windscreen. How else do you want? Let's have a look at the engine. It's a bit rusty.
Is it at this point, being as it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, do you do quotes, Fast and Furious quotes?
What about parts and service?
Hold on. Alright, what the hell is this?
This is your car.
My car? I said it.
No faith.
Oh, I have faith in you, but this isn't a junkyard, this is a garage.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
You know what? This will decimate all after. You put about 15 grand in it or more if we have to. Overnight parts from Japan.
Or do you just look at it?
As in, with a few overnight parts from Japan.
Something like that.
Don't put too much light on it.
No, you want to see the patina?
Oh, the character. Let's have a look on the chassis rail. Oh, that's decent. Have a look on this side. Cam sold the chassis rail side. Everything else. Underneath is mint, like 2020, out the factory, brand new. But the shell, Jesus Christ, man. It's rusty. I don't know what else to say. Should we have a look inside? Should we start it up? Shall we do many things? Okay. Modifications are a Nardi wheel. Looks like a 370 because it's massive. It's got a strut brace. What brand's that? Spats. Spats? I don't know what that is. And I don't know what else that might be. It's got an exhaust. Why TV?
Fights for his life in a competitive world that demands the utmost limit of his capacity. Pro spats. Did you get that?
I got most of it. Did you manage to hear that? It's a bit dark in here. Does the lights work? Oh.
I love how there's an
Oh.
explanation.
Oh, we got. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, mate, it's got a weird smell.
Yeah, it's got a.
Look at this steering wheel bush. Look at this. You drove this car. It's massive. It's like a boat. Look at the key. How about that?
That key's.
Lord of the Rings. It's just the fan belt though, wasn't it? Oh, this is. Look at the bits inside there.
I'm scared of Spidey
Oh,
colours.
mush, it stinks.
I'll put the blowers on.
No, I'm not.
Look
Oh,
at nest in the front by the light.
oh, it smells. Oh my god. Oh, I've got to get out of here. I've got to press the button. So it's done 89,000 kilometres. Oh, look at all that. Oh, Bert, it smells. I'm getting out of it. It stinks.
Is that net
What net?
on the back? And the old pennies.
Oh, that's plastic.
Little old pennies.
It's got some plastic.
Matt, those pennies on the back. Soon go to die.
Mush, hang on. Put this on. Put the side lights on. Oh.
What are you doing?
It's got like a wild animal. It's got a tinted back window, but this is plastic. So I don't know what that is. And the back windows are a bit brown. Oh, that was quick. Let's have a look in here. Well, it's got a bit more silicone.
Whoa.
Let's have a look in here, Marmite. Some rope so we can hang ourselves. What's that?
Chalk.
That's to seal the rear lights. This man loves silicone. Oh, it's got a rope. What's this floor mat say? British tread. Bit of silicone.
Is that gone?
I think the boots. Probably seen better days.
That's where it's been attacked from, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know where the key's gone. Did I leave it in the ignition?
Yeah.
I know it's in my pocket. So what do you think?
No.
Yeah?
All I'm seeing is
What is the fucking silicone everywhere? Japan. Black.
D-Max kit,
D-Max.
D-Max bonnet,
D-Max bonnet.
slammed,
Slammed.
VSKs,
No, I'm not doing them.
oh,
Gone
gold interior,
gold interior.
gold cage,
Gold sage. The car seat.
SR20,
Yes, it's already on SR20.
boosted.
Turbo. It's got aircon, radiator. Okay, come on. in the comments. Give us an F for chat. I don't know what that means. I just hear people say it. I don't know what it means.
Monka X.
Ignore the weave, yeah. See what he's doing? Oh, nice. What are you doing, bud? You took the rust off. Just typing up the holes. Try and keep the rain out. As you can see, there's a lot of type. Of course, decided to get the polish out. Just thought I'd show you. In here. We've got a Nissan PS13, boy! We need to go home now because it's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. We're going to get this tucked away and we'll look at it another day. Maybe tomorrow. Or, next I got to do the gearbox on the Civic. I don't want to get wrapped up into this just yet. The plan for this is just, come on, just hold back a bit. Come on, just stick with me. But the idea is to finish the Civic, get that done, finito, turbo, mapping, welding, paint, blah, blah, blah. And then, round 2, is we're going to build the PS13. But the first job is to get it ready for MOT and registration. I don't know what that is, but I'm worried. Anyway, from me and from Cuss, thank you for coming here with us late. And hopefully we don't get into too much trouble by the ladies. Because he'll be sleeping in the van and I'll be sleeping in the crown.
In the van with
Cuddling. Cuddle Spec. But for me and Marcus, good night.
Bye.